What is up, guys? It is... What time is it?
To go to abandoned house.
No, I mean like what physical time is it?
I don't know.
It is 2:15. And it's a little late to be starting a vlog, but it is what it is. I made a mistake. Oopsies. But what are we going to do?
Explore 2 abandoned houses.
Buildings. Not
Why are you
houses.
zooming in on me? Now you're zooming out.
Alright, so we're gonna go to these buildings and then I don't know what we're doing after that, but I'll see you guys there. Alright, what's up, guys? So we just got to the place. This place is like super abandoned. It looks like it's been abandoned for years. So that'll probably be the thumbnail, we'll see. Anyways, we're about to enter. No trespassing. Violators will be prosecuted. Alright, for that. We're obviously not the first people. And we're in. That was not very hard at all. Let's see. Yeah, I believe it's an old train station. What is all of this? Get up there, Caleb.
Okay.
Yeah, these are railroad ties right here. So this has to be an old train station. No, do it from here. What are you doing? It's like stair set right there.
Let's get walk across this. Yeah.
Okay. Whatever these are.
Back down.
Shut up, don't be so loud. This thing's really cool, actually. I don't know why they just abandoned it like this. They should have turned it into something. Like, huh? Here.
Yeah, we're not the first ones.
Well, I knew we weren't the first ones. Obviously, we weren't the first ones. Some graffiti. Broken wood up there. This is super sick.
It's a blanket in here.
Just look at that.
It's a blanket.
Blanket. I don't know why there's it looks like a platform and it looks like there was like more beams where the roof is. Why would there be a platform way up there? There's like a hole in the wall right there. Let's see. That is super cool. Super cool, except the building's falling apart.
It's too close.
Wow. Can you do me a huge favor? Can you run back to my bag and grab my phone out of the side pocket?
Take a flashlight.
Yeah. This looks like it got blocked off. Looks like rocks were crumbling from falling in. Guys, this place is super sick. Ooh, that's a little sketchy though. Yeah, that's a lot of sketchy though. Oh, there's even more sketch going on over here. There's like beams holding the building up. The weather has just eaten away at this. I'm sure it's not just the weather either. It's been eaten away.
How far do you think it goes down?
I don't know. Yeah. This one just looks like it is being eaten.
This has just been blocked off.
Yeah, it looks like there's like rocks falling and so they threw boards in front of it. This is super sweet. There's windows. What was that? What would that be? Just a pipe going through? I have no clue. This area is super sick. Shit, there's a car over there. Come here, Caleb. Alright, so I took you guys through this entire building. Now we're gonna go to the next building. I'll catch you guys there.
I had to take my feet off.
Damn, it's way nice out here. There's like barely any waves at all. Look at that. No waves. There's the Frankfurt Pier. No waves. Where what ends? The beach? The beach? Straight ahead. The lake ends in Wisconsin, Indiana, Illinois, and a couple other states is where it goes to. That's just amazing out there. Trick Dog was not actually abandoned, so there's that one abandoned building for you guys. Second one gotta do it again, the camera died. What? This time front flip it better. Yeah. Or on your feet.
No, I fucking fell on my...
Alright guys, so rumor has it that there is also a abandoned ski lift area behind one of my friend's house. I need to stop saying I'm just trying to concentrate on not falling. But anyways, the rumor has it that there's an abandoned ski lift behind my friend's house. And my friend's house is up this huge ass hill. So I'm just gonna go straight that way.
Your pocket's inside out.
And see if we can find it. I'll catch you guys up there. Alright guys, so young man Cody Savvy ain't in same condition.
Zoom in on your camera.
Why?
Maybe you can see it.
No, just go up there. Young man isn't in the shape he used to be in, and now I'm exhausted from that little hill, but there's still this giant ass hill to go. So Caleb's climbing up there, and if he sees anything, then I'm gonna go up there. If he doesn't see anything, I'm turning around and I'm going back down that hill, getting onto my bike and going home to edit this vlog, because it is 3:37 and a young man's tired. It's time to get the vlog uploaded instead of like 10 o'clock at night. So that's what we're doing now. I'm just waiting on him to get up there and see if there's anything up there. So peace. Alright, so as I suspected, there was nothing up there. What? No, it's right behind Bart's house. Like right up there, except to the left, down the hill. And it's right up the hill from Bart's house. Anyways, as I expected, there was nothing up there.
It got taken down, I bet. There's this little thing. There's like things sticking out of the ground.
Anyways, as I expected, there was nothing there, so I'm gonna have Bart take me there one day, or whatever you want to call him. Me and Montana also tried to find it once and never found it, so right now the myth has not been busted, but maybe one day Bart will show me it and the myth will be busted, I guess. I don't know, who knows, we'll see. Anyways, I'm gonna climb down this hill and then I'm gonna close the vlog, so I'll catch you guys down there. Come on.
Skills.
Interview. So what'd you see up there?
A couple metal poles, like tiny ones, and that's all.
Like how big?
About that thick, and not high off on the ground.
So that's all that was up there. So for now, there's no ski lift. It's just a rumor until Ethan shows me, or AKA Bart. We call him Bart as a nickname. But I'll see you guys at the bottom of this hill.
I don't think it's breaking.
You're a Mother Nature killer. All the tree huggers are gonna hate you now.
He told you.
All the tree huggers are gonna hate you now, dude. You thought you were gonna shoot up like the movies, huh? Oh. Myth busted, the movies lie. Ah!
Super jump!
Don't you wish you could bunny hop that high? Oh. Huh, Caleb?
What?
Don't you wish you could bunny hop that high?
No, I can.
No, you can't. You can't even bunny hop.
Yeah, I can.
No, you can't.
You want to bet?
Yeah. Ah! I'm a tree hugger now. Tree saved my life. Tree saved my life. Now I love one. Alright.
Can I make this tree look timber?
Climb it. Let's see it. Bet you won't get all the way to where those two trees line up right there. The two trees that line up with it, yeah.
I bet you it'll break.
No, it won't. Just go, don't be a bitch.
Fucking slippery as hell.
So, climb it like you climbed the other one. Sloth it. Dude, that thing will support your weight for days. You're like 5 pounds. Mm-hmm. Come on, they're not there yet.
It just cracked.
No one didn't.
I'm there.
No, you're not. You still got like another couple inches. Alright guys, if I can get 20 likes, I'm gonna go on that abandoned barge right there. It's about a mile.
The abandoned.
Yeah. Shit.